million hospitalizations. So that's a pretty high number of recoveries. Now, it wouldn't be if they're counting all cases, which worldwide is 3,440,000, but we're concerned about the United States. So I'm not the best guy with numbers here, even when I've got a calculator. But I'm figuring that these numbers, we've got 1,500 or 1,500,000, 1.5 million recoveries, and 1.7 million hospitalizations. That means the recovery rate's 85%. For hospitalized kids, that's nothing to sneeze at. So, I think that one of the reasons that the recoveries are not being reported is specifically that. Now, somebody's telling me that Johns Hopkins doesn't break down the recoveries except state by state. Well, that's new, because back in the early days, when China was leading the world in a number of cases, the recoveries were total. Now, I don't know why that has stopped. I'll check the website myself at the next week. I've got it sitting here. It's just my bad, folks. I just forgot to do it. I should have made myself a little handwritten note here to do it. Now, one more thing on this commutation business. I have a story here. This is from, well, I don't know the date. That's not helpful. But I think it's 2016 or 2017. It's Obama's last year. I think it's from 538. This is the Nate Silver website. And the headline, Obama granted clemency unlike any other president in history. They're still debating this even on Fox, as though there's something controversial here about the commutation of Roger Stone's sentence. And of course, one of the reasons that this has been sustained is that somebody wrote an op-ed and put Mueller's name on it. You know, Mueller had an op-ed in the Washington Post over the weekend in which he said, well, this is not good. Our investigation was thorough, and no matter what Trump does, Roger Stone remains a convicted felon, which is true. He has not been pardoned. He's just not going to go to jail. But the conviction has not been pardoned. So he dragged Mueller, and Mueller didn't write that out. But that then sustains the news cycle. But what in the world is controversial? This is the 11th commutation, the 10th commutation. Obama with almost 2,000 commutations in pardons total. Not a one of them was addressed in any way as being controversial. Not a one of them was analyzed. They didn't assemble panel discussions on cable TV to discuss what it means. Now the Wall Street Journal editorial board is urging Trump to pardon Flynn. National Review came out, the editors at National Review came out and said it was a dumb thing to do to commute the Stone sentence. I don't know what some people think. At any rate, in one more anti-presidency act of clemency aimed at prisoners serving long sentences for drug-related offenses, Obama announced Thursday, so yeah, this is from the last week of his term. Obama announced Thursday he is commuting the sentences of 330 people. He did it in one day. 330 commutations. Maybe it was in 1 week. He has granted clemency to more people than any president since Harry Truman, and Thursday's announcement was typical of how Obama's approach to clemency has differed from that of his predecessors. Obama's clemency is almost always given by freeing people from prison with commuted sentences, not pardoning people after their release. On Tuesday, with less than a week left in office, Obama granted clemency to 273 federal bad guys, including Chelsea Manning, the LGBTQ Army intelligence analyst, convicted in 2013 of disclosing sensitive information to WikiLeaks. Oh, Oh, now isn't that fascinating? So Obama commutes this clown, and everybody's upset that Stone got commuted because he was dealing with WikiLeaks. And Chelsea Manning, real name Bradley Manning, was doing the same damn thing. I'll tell you, this how many times do we have to talk about the genuine damaged goods status that American media has become? The threat that American media now represents to the American way of life is just... So, again, Manning's commutation, one of 209. Oh, wait a minute. This is even worse than I thought. Manning's commutation, one of 209 that Obama made Tuesday, with another 330 on Thursday. The total number of commutations now 1,715, more than any president in history, according to the White House. They were proud of it. They commuted or pardoned 539 people in 2 days during the last week of Obama's term in office. Obama has granted dozens of pardons and commutations about once a month since August. In December, he gave clemency to a record 231 federal inmates on a single day, a record that he broke on Tuesday and then broke it again on Thursday. Stunning. And this is from 538's website. And I don't have the date of this, but our crack internet team at rushlimbaugh.com will find the date because we know how to search keywords, and we'll get it. How about, speaking, I want to read to you a tweet. I'm not going to tell you whose tweet this is. This is going to make you gag. You ready for this? New York City reports zero. This tweet is from yesterday. New York City reports zero COVID-19 deaths for the first time since the pandemic hit. This is what competent government can accomplish. Does that not make you sick? It's none other than conservative blogger for the Washington Post, Jennifer Rubin, who tweeted, New York City reports zero COVID-19 deaths for the first time since the pandemic hit. This is what competent government can accomplish. Yeah, after you already have killed 6,200 people by sending them off to nursing homes. Or is it 9,500? What is the number of people almost killed? That's right. What is the number of people who died because of almost stashing in the nursing homes? This is what competent government can accomplish? As opposed, of course, to the fact that Trump isn't. Just amazing. Oh, can I give you an example of how the time, how American life combines crises and fun? How they never let these things go to waste. You know that the people stupid enough to believe, say, the polar bear commercial, the following guy home is driving an electric car to give him a hug. That's who this kind of stuff is aimed at. British experts say turn off air conditioning to reduce spreading coronavirus. And, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you combine climate change paranoia and virus. UK experts say that air conditioners increase the risk of spreading coronavirus. AC units recirculate the same air, which puts those close to infected people at risk. Opening a window while the AC is running or turning the AC off could reduce the risk. World Health Organization acknowledged that coronavirus can spread through droplets floating in the air. It just so happens